Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. We're in store for another wet afternoon and evening. The good news is at least there's some breaks early on, but the rain is really going to pick up as we go into the afternoon hours. This is going to be a recurring theme again for Friday, but I think today and tomorrow probably the wettest of the next couple of days, and let me show you why. We can see our little tropical low, which is not really tropical anymore. It's kind of an upper low or trough that's sitting over Georgia right now. You can actually see the rotation associated with it. But what it's doing, the net impact, is actually flooding this area with a ton of tropical moisture. So we've got really rich moisture coming in, high pressure off the East Coast, low pressure right here, and there's a stalled front like right in here. So this just constant push of warm moist air, and with the heating of the day we see the showers and thunderstorms fire up, and that's what we're seeing today. You can see temperatures are in the 70s, but the dew points are pretty close to 70 as well. This is incredibly muggy air for this time of year, and really kind of shows you just how much moisture there is out there. What I'm watching for this afternoon is, you can see we've got a few showers around the Charlotte area up towards Mooresville, Huntersville, heading towards Statesville. It's really this area of rain down here in South Carolina and this area offshore. This is going to expand and rotate in from the south and west as we go into the afternoon hours. You can see we've got some breaks in the cloud cover, which is creating some sunshine. All that is doing creating instability, or what we call CAPE, thunderstorm fuel, that is going to feed off of those. The thunderstorms can feed off of. So basically it's creating fuel for the storms to develop this afternoon. So let's turn all this off real quick and I'll show you our future cast, what it's showing. You can see this area of rain expanding as we go to about 1 o'clock this afternoon. Pretty good shield of rain expands from around Columbia out to Wilmington, expanding north and west over time. As we go to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, you can see the scattered showers. Now again, don't take this verbatim. There's likely going to be showers filling in this big area, but you get the general idea. Pretty wide area of showers and storms. That moves through, and then there's a lull, and then it looks like another wave forms right around dinner time. So it looks like maybe two distinct waves of rain, one right here, which is around early afternoon, mid-afternoon break, and then mid-evening, I'm talking 6, 7, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock starts to move through. And again, that will move through probably between, I'd say, 6 and 9 o'clock. But the net impact is going to be additional rainfall that's really going to pile up in parts of the Carolinas. And just to show you the amount of rainfall we could see, this is the forecast through about Saturday night. So you could see a lot of this is going to fall today and tomorrow, but the areas around the mountains and foothills, another 2 to 3 inches, and across the Piedmont we could see another, I'd say, 1 to 2 inches, a good possibility. Now, going into the weekend, the thing that we're going to watch is going to see what happens with this area of low pressure. It's going to be slowly moving north. Friday, it's going to be right over us, but if it starts to push to the east a little bit on Saturday, I can't remove the rain chances completely, but that would allow at least for some slightly drier air to try to filter in and cut our rain chances down to maybe 40 or 50%. So we'll take a look at that the weekend. I'm still optimistic for the All-Star race because of the potential of that more scattered thunderstorm and shower activity. Plus, remember, it's only an 80-lap race, so there's still a pretty good chance we can get a window in the evening to get that in. Of course, I'll be covering it throughout the next couple days, and we'll be talking about it as we get closer to the weekend.